Do you know the extent to which a community structure, services, or geographic area is likely to be damaged or disrupted by the impact of particular hazard is termed as? If not, then be sure to watch this video. We will discuss many such interesting questions in this video. So, watch the video from start to end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Let's start the video. The extent to which a community structure, services, or geographic area is likely to be damaged or disrupted by the impact of particular hazard is termed as: A. Capacity. B. Vulnerability. C. Risk. D. Hazard assessment. The correct answer is option number B, vulnerability. The Richter scale expresses an earthquake's: A. Magnitude. B. Location. C. Duration. D. Depth. The correct answer is option number A, magnitude. The point of the Earth's surface directly above the point where an earthquake occurs is called the: A. Focus. B. Epicenter. C. Fracture. D. Fault. The correct answer is option number B, epicenter. Which of the following is a man-made disaster? A. Terrorism. B. Major fire. C. Pollution. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Vulnerability analysis comes in which part of the disaster management cycle? A. Mitigation. B. Preparedness. C. Response. D. Recovery. The correct answer is option number A, mitigation. Floods can be prevented by: A. Afforestation. B. Cutting the forest. C. Tilling the land. D. Removing the topsoil. The correct answer is option number A, afforestation. What do you mean by doldrums? A. Environmental condition found during El Niño. B. Environmental condition found on equatorial calm over the sea. C. Both A and B are correct. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number B, environmental condition found on equatorial calm over the sea. The word disaster comes from: A. Greek word. B. Latin word. C. French word. D. German. The correct answer is option number B, Latin word. High vulnerability and high hazard are associated with: A. Low disaster risk. B. Medium disaster risk. C. High disaster risk. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number C, high disaster risk. Which of the following organization is the apex authority of disaster management in India? A. NDA. B. NDMA. C. CDMA. D. INDR. The correct answer is option number B, NDMA. Which of the following is not a component of disaster management cycle? A. Preparedness. B. Response. C. Construction. D. Recovery. The correct answer is option number C, construction. The Bhopal gas disaster occurred in A. 1986, B. 2003, C. 1984, D. 2009. The correct answer is option number C, 1984. Which of the following groups of people is more vulnerable in the event of disaster? A. Men, boys, old people. B. Men, women, boys. C. Women, children, old people. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number C, women, children, old people. The instrument which records earthquake wave is called A. Climograph, B. Seismograph, C. Hytherograph, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number B, seismograph. Which is known as seismic wave? A. Tsunami, B. Hurricane, C. El Nino, D. Typhoon. The correct answer is option number A, tsunami. The name of the largest active volcano in the world is A. Mauna Loa in Hawaii, B. Mount Fuji in Japan, C. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Latu earthquake occurred in A. 1991, B. 1992, C. 1993, D. 1994. The correct answer is option number C, 1993. Which wave of the earthquake produces rolling effect along the surface? A. P wave, B. S wave, C. L wave, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number C, L wave. Which of the following is known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean Sea? A. Vesuvius, B. Stromboli, C. Krakatoa, D. Popa. The correct answer is option number B, Stromboli. Which country is known as the most forest fire-prone country in the world? A. Uganda, B. Canada, C. Australia, D. India. The correct answer is option number C, Australia. The Chernobyl disaster of 1986 in Ukraine was a case of A. Epidemic disaster, B. Toxic gas disaster, C. Nuclear disaster, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number C, nuclear disaster. What is it called when a large number of people in a community get a disease at the same time? A. Influx. B. Black Death. C. Epidemic. D. Pandemic. The correct answer is option number C, epidemic. Zika virus is spread by A. Rat. B. Mosquito. C. Fly. D. Pig. The correct answer is option number B, mosquito. In India, cyclone is tracked through which satellite? A. Insat. B. IRS. C. Ocean SAT. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Insat. Intensity of an earthquake is measured by A. Modified Mercalli scale. B. Richter scale. C. Seismograph. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Modified Mercalli scale. About 2/3 of the cyclones that occur in the Indian coastline occur in the A. Bay of Bengal. B. Coastal area of South India. C. Coastal area of West India. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number A, Bay of Bengal. International Tsunami Information Center is in A. Honolulu. B. Goa. C. Jakarta. D. Puducherry. The correct answer is option number A, Honolulu. Tuberculosis generally affects A. Kidney. B. Stomach. C. Lungs. D. Skin. The correct answer is option number C, lungs. Hurricanes are common in A. India. B. Bangladesh. C. USA. D. Australia. The correct answer is option number C, USA. The most calm part of the tropical cyclone is A. Limb. B. Eye. C. Periphery. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option number B, eye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the information helpful and interesting. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. If you have any questions or topics you want me to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.